There we go.
Go left.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
It's alright, just keep, stay there, it's alright. Ready, drop. Got it? Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Up fast on that one. Perfect. Still on 73% battery, so could do maybe another couple. Here on ammo jetty. Got some rods out, just sent the drone out. Got this rod out, maybe 300 meters.
Where's my beer? Here is my beer.
Yeah, and then we got the other rod out, maybe 150. And we got this one we just casted. Pretty quiet at the moment. It's a little Port Jackson so far, but you never know.
Okay.
The bites will be quick.
Fish are coming, fish are coming.
Fish are coming, that's it. Yeah, yeah! Woo! That's a fish! That's a fish!
See, I was talking
Bro, that one of the fucking shit. Quick, keep pressure. Yeah. What's coming quick? Bro, it's a shark, I think. Or it could be a fish.
Oh, man.
Bro, just we were talking about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on. Bro, it's a fish for sure. It's coming in easy.
Yeah, it is.
It's coming in way too easy. It's still on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, that's a good fish. I think it's a shark. Oh, gummy.
Yeah,
oh, I think gummy.
I don't know. Nah.
Come on, just need mine to go off now.
Yeah, fuck yeah, I'll take it.
Alright, what are you going to lift it?
Yeah.
You could probably lift it.
Yeah, I would.
Just wind down all the way and then... I think it's hooked pretty good, so... Don't snap. Woo! Good size. Or it could be a bit bigger, but it's still good.
Oh.
It's alright.
Yeah. It's a sugar.
Yeah.
Is it or not?
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's just a very small one.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on it, yeah.
Yeah, drag up the car. Hold it up before you took the wag side.
Well, that was fucking quick. Yeah, it's probably just... Yeah.
Port Jackson, mate.
Gummy? Nah. Or a shovelly?
Yeah, a little something like that. Better get him up before he goes release the jetty, mate.
Gummy!
You did get a gummy.
Ooh! Oh no, a little...
It is a gummy.
Oh, it's a good gummy. Bullshit.
What do you want in for?
There we let go.
Yeah.
You gonna get him here or are you gonna walk him?
Yeah, we'll get him up. Go back.
Woo! Good shit. Took like 10 minutes.
I don't think he's happy, Jaden.
Yeah.
Wait, Jetty, hold on.
Still on there, yeah.
go.
Yeah, nothing's really.
How many fucking... Yeah, that's another gummy, man.
Bullshit.
Good one too. I think it's a bit bigger. I don't think you have to set the hooks that hard. Fucking nearly pulled his face off.
I didn't pull the other one's face off. There's one there.
Oh,
Nah, banjo.
yeah.
Or no, shovelly.
Nah, banjo.
Oh, banjo.
That's why I felt heavy.
You want me to bring him in?